How to travel in flight first time. Traveling by flight for the first time can be an exciting but also daunting experience. Here are some steps to help you prepare and navigate your first flight. 1. Book your ticket. Choose your destination, dates, and preferred airline. Then book your ticket either online or through a travel agent. 2. Check-in. Most airlines allow you to check in online within 24 hours of your flight. You can also check in at the airport kiosk or counter. Make sure to have your ID and travel documents ready. 3. Pack your bags. Check your airline's baggage policy regarding size, weight limits, and any fees for checked and carry-on luggage. Pack your bags accordingly, and don't forget any essentials, like travel documents, medications, and chargers. 4. Arrive early. Plan to arrive at the airport at least 2 to 3 hours before your scheduled departure time, especially if it's your first time flying. This allows plenty of time for check-in, security screening, and finding your gate. Five. Security screening. Be prepared to go through security screening. Remove any metal objects, liquids, and electronics from your carry-on bags and place them in the provided bins. Follow instructions from security personnel and be patient. 6. Find your gate. After passing through security, check the departure boards to find your gate. Follow signs or ask airport staff for directions if you're unsure. 7. Boarding. Boarding typically begins around 3:45 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Listen for announcements or check your boarding pass for your boarding group and gate number. Board when your group is called. 8. Take your seat. Once on the plane, locate your seat based on the seat number on your boarding pass. Stow your carry-on luggage in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. 9. Listen to safety instructions. Pay attention to the safety demonstration given by the flight attendants. It covers important information about seat belts, oxygen masks, emergency exits, and more. During the flight, relax and enjoy your flight. Follow the instructions of the flight attendants, fasten your seatbelt when seated, and keep your electronic devices in airplane mode during takeoff and landing. 9. Arrival. When the plane lands, remain seated until instructed to disembark. Gather your belongings and exit the plane, following signs. To baggage claim if you checked luggage. Baggage claim. At baggage claim, look for your flight number on the monitors to find the carousel where your luggage will be unloaded. Retrieve your bags and exit the airport. 10. Remember to stay calm and ask for help if you need it. Flight attendants and airport staff are there to assist you throughout the process. Enjoy your flight.